Well, hello. Greetings, salutations.
Greetings and salutations. Greetings and salutations. Greetings and salutations. Greetings.
Today I'm going through a problem that I'm sure I'm not the only person that ever had. I, of course, have a bagger. I've got saddlebags, and I have speakers in my saddlebag lid covers. And so I put too much stuff in the saddlebags because you can never have enough room. And when I did that, it broke the wiring to the speaker because I overcrowded the compartment. And over time, it broke it. So, we're going to fix it on today's Graybeard Biker. Alright, so to do that, I bought a couple of things. Now, this, I am sure, is not the correct way to do this. I am not a car stereo guy or whatever, and so this is not going to be the cleanest way to do it. I know that. But I wanted to get it done today, and I couldn't find the attachments that I was looking for, so I found something to make do, because that's what shade tree mechanics do. So the first thing that I have here is a 2-pack of test leads. Now, am I going to use these as test leads? No. I'm going to use this because it was $1.50, and it has speaker wire in it that I can use as opposed to having to buy an entire spool of speaker wire that I don't need. So this was repurposing things because I do not need a whole spool full of wire. The other thing that I got are these quick connections. They're, I think some people call them splicers. They're made so that I don't have to solder or shrink wrap or anything like that. Now, are these perfect? No. Are they fast? Yes. So you can see here, these wires here have broken off and they were attached right here to this thing. Well, the first problem is this thing came off, right? It's supposed to go right there and it came off. So I'm going to try to find a way to fix that as well, but not until after I reattach the wires. Now, let's do a little close up here. You can see here, this right here is where it broke. This little white and there's a little black right there as well. That is the other end of this wire. And it is too short for me to cut it and then resolder it back together. So what I've done is I've looked in this thing and I'm like, okay, where do these things go? I opened up this part here so that I could look down in there. And this white one simply goes to this tab. And the black one simply goes to this tab. So that means that these can just go to the tabs. Now the other thing to note is that these tabs are also where the wires from the amp go, which means they're all linked together. So I'm going to take these wires, cut the little alligator clips off, and then splice them to the end of these. Then I will take the other end and literally splice it into the amp wire, because the amp wire will then be attached to the tabs. That's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Now, I couldn't find my crimping tool, believe it or not. So I do have wire cutters here, and then I have my grandfather's old crimping tool. This is prehistoric. I have no idea. Let me see. It doesn't have a date on it, but it's been around for 2 generations. I don't know about you guys. It's the Thomas S. Betts Company. I don't know about you guys, but you never throw tools away. So my dad got this from his dad, and then I got it from him. But with this tool, I won't even need that. Alright, so what's happened is this tool is made so that this on top, when pushed down, cuts into both wires with metal and connects them. And so that's what we've done here. And then of course you just close it. And that's it. Maybe we'll cut this end off here. And then we'll do the other side. Now, my plan is to leave these longer. See, they were extremely short before, so that maybe they'll have a little more play in them and they won't break. Alright. So now these are attached. Let me see if I can clean this one up. All right. Now I'm going to put some electrical tape over that, just because. It probably nothing will happen, but just because. And then these sides are going to get attached to the amp wires. Now, amp's already in the bike. So now we got to go out there. Now it's the next day, and I'm getting ready to put this stuff on the motorcycle. So let me get my pieces here from when I took the speaker out. All right, so we put everything up here where I can get to it. Screws and whatnot I'll put right here. No, I won't. Stay. Get my stool. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm kind of going blind here because I can't see what I'm doing. Alright, so this here is the gasket that the installation place put on my bike, and it appears to not be the correct size. So good job, guys. Got this installed when I was in Daytona, and it appears they screwed the pooch. That's always nice. Just straight up did not do it correctly. I wonder if I can fix this. That is what's supposed to keep it waterproof. They did not do a good job. And part of me wants to go ahead and fix this. The other part of me wants to make sure the rest of it works first. You know what I mean? Alright, Mom. Sure.
Do we have a multimeter?
Multimeter meaning electric?
Yeah.
Yes. Why?
I think it's a ballast problem, not a bulb problem.
Oh.
They said I can check the ballast with a multimeter, see if it needs replacement.
Do you know how to do that? It's on top of the toolbox.
Says blah 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 blah. Turn the multimeter on to its ohm setting. Insert one probe into the wire connector while holding the white wires together. Touch the other probe to the ends of yellow. If the ballast doesn't cause the needle to move, you know it needs to be replaced.
Alright, well, you know where the circuit box is. I don't know what goes up to the closet upstairs. You know? Now, I bought my wife these tools, hence them being pink, for Christmas one year because she wanted some tools of her own. Because she did not like having to ask me for tools whenever she needed some inside the house. So I'm like, fine, I got tools of her own. And then she said, I'll be the only person that uses it. Nobody uses it but me. And I use it all the time because I cannot find things that are mine.
Yeah, he does.
Alright, so before I put this all the way down, let's see if it works. Here are the wires from the Dumaflachi. That's kind of in there. Okay. Turn and close. Okay. And then close this. One side. All right. Now we do the other one. Now, let's see what we got. Red. Anyway, in there, bitch. And black.
Connected.
I gotta restart everything again. And I think that's it. So it appears that is a way to fix it. Now these are Hertz SX 690 speakers. Different speakers may be configured different ways. But that's how I fixed it on Alchemy here. Now I'm going to go through, shorten up the wires, connect it, put everything where it's supposed to be, that sort of thing, and that'll be that. Alright guys, so I hope if you had this same issue or similar issue with your bike, that this was able to help you fix it. I am going to put links to everything that I used and links to the speakers themselves, I guess, in the description below, maybe in the first comment, so that you have that at hand if necessary. If you liked this video, if it helped you at all, or if you want to see more, please like, subscribe, thumbs up, all of that good stuff. And now the bike is ready to go to Daytona. So, we'll see you there. Until then, stay free. Keep it shiny side up.